Hello friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, special welcome to you. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily see and view your Wi-Fi password on your Windows 11 PC. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. The first thing you want to do guys is to know the name of your Wi-Fi, and you want to click on the Wi-Fi icon on the lower right hand side, and once you hover over it, really you will see the name of the Wi-Fi name there, and it says internet access, or you can simply click on it and you will also have the name there showing under the Wi-Fi connection there, right? So from here, just simply go ahead and click the Windows key on your keyboard or press it on the taskbar and just simply type in run, right? Go ahead and click on that. And then you want to simply go ahead and type in ncpa.cpl and just simply go ahead and click on enter on your keyboard there. Right, this will open up your network connections and you want to find the Wi-Fi options there. Now, keep in mind that you need to be connected to this Wi-Fi, and Wi-Fi must be the option that you're using to connect to the internet at the moment, right? You also have the Ethernet connection there, but if you're connected to the Ethernet, then you will not be able to view the Wi-Fi password, because that would be the way where you're connected to the internet. So you have to be connected to the internet using Wi-Fi. Now from here, simply right click on that and you want to click on status, and then you want to go ahead and click on Wi-Fi properties. Now from here you want to go ahead and click on security, and here you will see the network security key. Now you have the option here that says show character, and it has like a little shield. This means administrative right. So if you don't have administrative rights on your PC, then you will not be able to view this, right? So you need to have it. But of course I have the admin right, so if I go ahead and click this, it will go ahead and show the character for my Wi-Fi here. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.